Hey guys, Waiting here and welcome to another video. And today, unexpectedly, is the first battery service, well, the first day for the battery trains for GWR, which is the old D-stock along the Greenford branch from West Ealing to Greenford. So we literally just came here unexpectedly. I only just wanted to go to South Greenford, which is where we're going to go.
Yeah.
And literally, we only came here for the day just to ride the trains, but I guess we're thinking. I guess we're gonna go on this, so I will see you when the train pulls in.
Yeah.
So we have arrived on we're on the new GWR trains, the class 230. We are on 230001. We're not going to go all the way down to Greenford. We're going to go to South Greenford, because why not? But we're going to have a ride, which is what we were planning to do anyway, before we knew that it was actually the first day for it. So yeah, mad. Anyway, let's get ready to leave. Okay, so we've just left West Ealing. The first stop is Drayton Green, I think. Is it? Is it Drayton Green? I don't even know. My first time along here. So with the seating arrangement, there is light tables around the whole carriage. There is also airline seats and the classic D-stock underground seats where they're like against the wall. So brilliant. I think there is charging ports underneath the seats, and it is a battery operated train. We're already pulling in to Drayton Green station now, so mad.
Step down to the...
Right, so we have now made it to South Greenford station. 2 platforms. Was also the least used station in London until Sudbury Hill and Harrow Road or something like that. Sudbury and Harrow Road took over its boringness. I think the station has recently been... Oh, we need to tap out. Yeah, otherwise Oyster Card will be like, where are they going? 450? Let's hope that was 450 spent, not.
£5.10.
Okay, I 450 left. Okay, anyway, so we're just walking down the ramp towards the busy road. It's still shocking to know that we came on the first day. People won't believe it as well. No. They would think that we just...
It's going to annoy a lot of people. Also, like, the fact that this was a speeding plan, and also we said we should do a first train service day.
Here we are,
and we've accidentally done it, so that's ticked off.
Yeah. So anyway, South Greenford looks like it's recently been, or like before it has been upgraded a bit, because the platforms do look a bit more newer. I don't even know.
It's a bit of a step down, I must say.
Yeah. For the new trains, it's quite a big step down. But yeah, we're next to the busy road now, so what we're going to do, cross over the platform onto the other side and ride the train back down to West Ealing.
The next station is Castle Bar Park. This is a Great Western Railway service to West Ealing.
Not great for its first day, is it? It's very mucky in here. Yeah, so it's like a wheelchair accessible toilet. It has standard toilet with sink, which has towels, paper towels, dryer, tap and soap. Got a bell if you get stuck, baby changing place and a lovely mirror, and a bin as well. And if you fall on the floor, there's another SOS machine in there as well. So there is.
This is Castle Bar Park.
I got scared.
Do not try to board
smoke
or
detectors as
leave
well.
the train
Don't smoke.
when the doors are closing.
Anyway, that's it.
This is West Ealing. The next station is
So it's quite
this is a Great Western Railway service
actually a really special
to
train,
West
so yeah.
Ealing.
Lovely speaking to you anyway.
Train down in Bristol. You said you used to get.
Right, so that is it. We have just finished our D-Stock ride, well, Class 230 ride with GWR. Madness. Can't believe it. Anyway, so conclusion, brilliant train. Honestly, it's the best probably I've ever seen the D-Stock in a while. Wow, just a brilliant train. Battery as well, doesn't run like diesel, it's batteries. So, but yeah, as I said, brilliant train. Yeah, so there it is, 230, done. I think that's the 165's all done as well. So, but it was good to ride it without knowing. There were some commuters on there. There was a lady with a dog, which I've shown when I got off the train. She didn't even know as well. I only just checked on Instagram about GWR when I seen that that was so many passengers here at West Ealing. Madness. Can't believe it. Anyway, as I said, that 230's done. Thank you very much for watching. I know this is like probably not the best video ever about the new Greenford branch trains, but I mean it's the best I could do because I'm not really that good at filming. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.